The deadly fury of the 1966 North Dakota blizzard. Imagine waking up to a world buried under 30-40-foot snowdrifts, with winds howling at 70 miles per hour and gusts reaching an astonishing 100 miles per hour. This was the reality for North Dakota during the historic blizzard of March 1966. For 11 hours, the blinding snowstorm reduced visibility to zero, with light barely breaking through for another 19 hours. Roads vanished, homes were buried, and survival became a battle against the elements. The storm claimed 9 lives and decimated tens of thousands of livestock, leaving a lasting scar on both people and the land. Relive this gripping chapter of history, follow, and share to uncover nature's extraordinary power.